Hello everyone, I am Srishti Dwivedi, student of JNKVV College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today I present a PPT on the topic of hybrid seed production of rice under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. Hybrid seed production in rice. Earlier farmer used to cultivate improved rice varieties, but due to open border they came contact with Indian and some imported Chinese hybrid rice varieties and given interest in hybrid rice farming. Hybrid rice give production of 20 to 30% higher than inbred rice variety, which can make small farmer and individual families to boost crop yield dramatically. Birmani ETAL 1991, Birmani ETAL 1996. Nepal Agriculture Research Council NARC started to evaluate Indian and Chinese hybrid variety in collaboration with concerned seed companies to get registered the varieties. Many hybrid rice varieties were registered and they are being successfully cultivated because tropical and subtropical climate prevailing in southern part is quite suitable for hybrid rice cultivation. Birmani ETL 1996. Three-line system. In this system, three-line cytoplasmic genetic male sterile line CMS, also called a line or female line, maintainer line B, and restorer R line are required. CMS line should be expensively evaluated for their pollen sterility and panicle excitation along with traits. Pollen sterility test along with some evaluated CMS liner development and evaluation of CMS line A, development of maintainer line B, identification development of restorer line R, production and evaluation of F1 hybrid, maintenance of A, B and R lines, multiplication of parental line. The seed of male sterile line is multiplied by crossing by A and B line in isolated plot. There is a small difference between the growth duration of A and B line. The sowing date are adjusted to achieve good synergization of their flowering. Seed of parental line should be genetically as well as physically pure. B and R line are also multiplied simultaneously in separated isolated plot. This process is undertaken by breeder for large seed production. Breeder and specialized institute companies and group could also be involved. Hybrid rice seed production to grow hybrid rice by the seedling and transplanting. Sprouting seeds should be sown uniformly in well-leveled wet seedbed at the rate of 40 gram per meter square as on wet seed basis. Level of seedbed plot is necessary, otherwise seedling will be damaged in lower part of seedbed by water logging and uneven growth in upper part. Transplanting could be done when plant gain enough height to uproot the seedling. Transplanting could be done easily when height of seedling is 15 cm or seedling are 5.5 leaf stage. The transplanting of older seedling delay flowering and transplanting of younger seedling advance flowering. Rogging and isolation. Rogging. A person involved in rogging should be aware of characteristics of variety to be rogged. Rogging play a vital role for maintaining seed quality and purity. Rogging is the removal of undesirable rice plants and the weed from hybrid seed production plot. Unwanted rice plant are those plants that differ from true type A or R plant. Isolation. Isolation is necessary in seed production plot to check outer pollen from adjoining field for contamination. Pollen in rice plant is small in size and can move longer distance with the wind, so isolation could be provided by following three different ways in small account For initial research on hybrid rice crossing chamber, can we build a harvesting? The crop should be harvested when the grain are hard and yellow with a moisture percentage of 23 to 24%. For combine harvesting, the moisture percent should be the range of 16 to 18%. The crop is cut the base with the sickle and the plant are left in the field for 2-3 days. Then they are threshed on clean threshing floor or tarpaulin. After winnowing and cleaning, the seed should be dried to save moisture limit of 13% before storage. Seed yield. The seed yield are in the range of 5.0 to 6.0 per hectare, depending upon the variety and the management practice adopted. Thank you.